What's this? Hi, Ducky. Hi, Ducky. This is Darwin. He hasn't seen the duck yet, or there he goes. He just saw it. He didn't seem to care. Let's see what he does with the chickens. He's having a stare off with the chicken. Darwin, the chicken's gonna peck you on the face. Oh, he's backing up from the chicken. What do you think? What is that bird? Huh? He doesn't know what to think of that chicken. And there's the pig. Hi, pig. Hi, bud. Hi, baby. Hi. Hi, baby. Darwin keeps backing off from the pig. Bye, piggy. Bye, buddy. Hi, baby. Cute little pig. Oh. You're gonna go back to the shade. What do you think, Darwin?